Hello friends, already highlighted in my previous video regarding the economic order quantity. I just highlight in that time that two important cost, that is ordering cost and holding cost, that decide the economic order quantity model for an organizations. But before that, I just like to highlight that whenever you can take any decisions regarding inventory control measures, I am just again highlighting inventory control measures means the objective is that to minimize the cost. In that time, two approaches has been considered. One is periodic review systems, means to a particular level of time period you have to check the inventory level, and second is how much quantity you have to keep under your control or inventory by which your cost will be minimized. That should be optimized utilization of your inventory systems. For that, how much quantity you have to keep in your under control. In this way, already these pictures you will find in my economic order quantity model 1. Please check that video. Today I will go how you can derive the equations for understanding economic order quantity model. For that, every models need to be established with some assumptions. The first assumption in this model that demand is known and constant. If there will be the fluctuation of the demand, then you cannot apply this model. Lead time is known and constant. From giving the signal to the supplier and supplier will give the raw materials to you, the complete time period is called as the lead time, and that lead time need to be constant. Assumption of the second assumption in the particular model. Third one is receipt of inventory is instantaneous. At a time you can get the inventory. Doesn't mean that inventory are coming in an uninterrupted manner. If you give the call to the supplier, supplier will give the raw materials to all of you. That is the third assumption you have to take into considerations. Fourth assumption is that quantity discounts are not possible. No point of the time there is the provision of discounts. If there is the discount, there may be the chances that the lead time, demand, everything will be changed according to the circumstances. But here to put forth the quantity discounts are not possible. Two important costs already highlighted. One is holding cost and second is the setup cost or the ordering cost. Because what is the difference between the ordering cost and setup cost? When the administrative cost has been involved inside the organization, that is called as the setup cost. If it is outside of the organizations, then it is called as the ordering cost. Looking into the ordering cost and the holding cost, your overall cost calculation has been done. Sixth assumption is that shortage or stock out can be completely avoided. Once you get the raw material, whatever the inventory you have, up to the completion of your product, there should not be any type of the stock out or any type of the shortages involved in the system. On that basis, your complete derivations of the inventory system, or you can say that economic order quantity model, has been established. Let's see what are the process to do that. Just look at the left side. The left side highlighted that some of the abbreviations. Q equal to number of pieces per order. Q hyphen, or you can that symbolic Q equal to optimum number of pieces per order. You can say that is the EOQ numbers. D equal to annual demand in units for the inventory items. S equal to setup or ordering cost for each order, and H equal to holding or carrying cost per unit for each order year. In that way, already highlighted, there are two costs. One is setup cost or ordering cost, and second is the holding cost. How you can do that? Just observe the first part, annual setup cost. Annual setup cost is number of orders placed per year. Suppose numbers of order you have given 10, and setup cost per order, that is S, already highlighted. Then suppose number of orders placed per year, that is also equal to annual demand. Whatever the demand you have, that is called annual demand, divided by numbers of unit in each order. That is called as the number of orders placed per year. In this way, the first derivation annual setup cost is DS by Q. Make it as the equation number 1. Annual holding cost equal to average inventory level, because you have decided that what's the quantity you have to put as the holding cost. Average inventory level, how you can calculate it? Initial inventory, make it vacant 0, and in the final end of the year, maybe your inventory is Q, then whatever the inventory level, that is Q by 2 and into H, multiply by H, that is called as QH by 2, that is called annual holding cost. Make the equation 2. Then optimum order quantity, or Q hyphen, or you can say that EOQ, that should be the equal annual setup cost or annual ordering cost should be equal to the annual holding cost already described. If you do that, then you find that Q hyphen or EOQ quantity model, that is the root over of 2DS by H. That is the economic order quantity models. How you can derive that? Because on this point you can go through numbers of equations, numbers of decision making process for getting the good efficient system for your organizations. Hopefully the complete video is useful for all of you. Stay tuned with me, connected with me. I will bring more video in the line of operation research. Thank you all.